Yeah, it is. Hey, what's up, everybody?
Hi.
Lexi and Brini here. Today, we're gonna go onto the
Kujukushima Excursion Boat Terminal.
Kujukushima Excursion Boat Terminal. That's where we at. We're about to go onto the Island Pearl to see the 99 islands. This is at Kashimae Park in Sasebo, Japan. All right. Here's a little view of the 99 islands on the This is the boat that we're gonna be on. They got other types of boats too, but we got the little pontoon boat, sailboat, kayaks.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's really nice. And then I think this is some type of hiking tour.
I like that.
The pirate boat, I think, is not working right now. Whatever, we could have, but let's get a little view of the Kashimae Park bridge ship. They said that this one not working right now, but I would have liked to go on that one. It's a little harbor right here. We got their sailboats. Let's go see these restaurants they got over here. Chinese restaurant. That's where we was just standing right over there. Snow cones, ice cream. It's the aquarium over there. See, they got the burgers, club sandwich, American style sandwich. Yeah, it's a nice little park here. Lexi got an umbrella. That's something Japanese do here in Japan.
It's a must.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've been kind of thinking maybe I need to get me one because she be all comfortable in the shade. This sun ain't playing.
It's amazing.
So over there during the winter time, when we first got here, I think it was back in like October or December, we had went and they had like all these little grills set up over there, and you can buy oysters and grill them or bring whatever type of food you want. But they have the little cinder blocks with the grating over it, and you can grill out, bring your own chairs and drinks and stuff. It's pretty cool, especially if you like oysters. Lexi, she love oysters, so
I miss them.
yeah. They said that the season was too warm, so they didn't have them that much this beginning of this year, but hopefully next year is better.
The season is starting. We're gonna be there, right?
Yeah. We're going to have to grab some water because it's scorching hot and humid out here. We're going to be on this boat.
Yeah. Let me buy you an umbrella. You want?
No.
I told you earlier.
I'll be okay.
Okay. You say so.
Maybe I should get one.
You should. It's really nice.
No, I should have wore my hat, like my fishing hat, to keep the sun, because I'm good. I just need something, a little hat, but it's all right for today. I'll be fine.
You need vitamin D, huh?
Yeah.
Oh my God, Brini.
Let's grab some water so we don't get dehydrated. All All right, so back in the terminal, about to get in line now. All right, headed out to the Pearl Queen to see the Kujukushima Islands, also known as the 99 Islands. Kujukushima actually translates to 99 Islands. It's really 208 islands, but they just say 99 islands. Sound better, I guess. Yeah. Nice air conditioning. Where you want to sit?
It's really nice, huh?
Yeah, it is. Where you want to sit? Over this side or?
The other side.
It's really nice. And they got the deck that you can go up on top outside.
Thank you for boarding the Kujukushima Excursion Boat Terminal today.
Look, you can go up into the mast. I'm gonna go up there later. Up into the mast up there. Man, I wish we could have got on the pirate ship. There's the helm. Helm is where they steer ship from, drive from. Back to the AC.
掲示いたしておりますのでご覧ください。ゴミや空き缶などを海上へ捨てることはご遠慮ください。お近くのゴミ入れをご利用くださいますようお願いいたします。Moreover, passengers are asked to refrain from leaning over the railings on the deck or climbing up the ropes and mast.
Oh, they got gift shop, drinks, and hats and stuff, binoculars. Here's a view from the aft of the ship, off from the stern. You see that big wake. Little jet ski. Stern so you can see the wake. shallow water. What'd you say?
现在我们的船正在通过右侧的柜岛和左侧的木岛之间的狭窄的海峡里。这条海峡叫做梅尔湖。这里因为狭窄，水也比较浅，是船只航行时必须加倍小心的航行难度比较高的一点。
저희 선박은 오른편에 보이시는 가스라지마 섬과 왼편에 보이시는 마키노시마 섬 사이의 해역으로 도우라고 하는 지역으로 가입니다.
の右手前方に大きな島が見えてきました。深い海を持つ白い隣の島で松浦島と書いて
What's that? Somebody built some stairs there. That's so cool. Wonder what year that was. How do you know? Huh? You just made it up. I don't think it was 1946 after what happened here in 1945.